So you go ahead and cut that filament in 45-degree angle, doing all the fancy stuff. And now you're going to go to your 3D printer, trying to load that in, thinking that it would just go in there, right? Nope. You would have to struggle. I'm not sure who made this design and thought this hole can just work, but it's a struggle every single time. And in this video, I'm going to show you the best upgrade you can do to your 3D printer, yet it's free. So let me show you. The problem is with these tiny holes. And because the filament is always bent on the spool, it's never too straight to go in there easily. I'm going to attempt to make these bigger by drilling them using three different bit sizes, and then I will smooth out the holes to make it kind of an easily pass through without having the filament getting stuck. By the way, these are the one from the dual gear extruder. It's a similar problem on the stock one as well. Maybe these are a little bit worse. I'm not sure. I think the stock one might be a little bit better than those, but they both have similar problem. And I think I'm going to fix it, or at least I'm attempting to fix it. I will retest after I'm done, and I will show you the result, and then you be the judge for yourself. I'll show you the process, then I'll come back and show you the test. So I will leave you to it here. So I just put them back together, and let's do that test one more time. Same filament, same test, same cut on the filament. And here is me trying it 3 times, and you can see it works every single time. I did not think I can make them worse, honestly. So I was very confident that this will at least give some improvement, but I'm very happy with it so far. Yeah, thank you for watching this video. This is it for this one. I will see you in the next one.